Good morning. Happy Saturday. We got back bends. We got wifeys.
I hurt my knee.
Yeah, okay. All right. So we're out early this morning. We got some baseball cards. These are 1982 in pristine condition. So we're going to look through those a little later. Came back, loaded up the TV, loaded up the washers, loaded up the dryers. We're bringing those over to the unit. We're grabbing all the TVs. We're going to see the TV guy. We're taking pictures of all the units. We may have somebody interested. There's a Scotty cat. Meow, meow. And that's that. So we will get back to you when we get back to the unit. So shot out of a cannon right now. I don't even know if we filmed all this. This is all the TVs that are going in. I don't know if I filmed the unit, but all the washing machines and dryers sold today as well. So I have to deliver them in a little bit. We are officially busy. Hey everybody, how you doing? Quick update. Oh my goodness. It's now like 2:30, I think, 2:35, 2:40. And our day has not gotten any less crazier. It's actually gotten more crazier. All right, so we went to the TV guy after we left the storage unit, and he only ended up buying 4 TVs off of us out of 11. Only 4. Womp womp. So that just was what it was. So now we know what we're looking for. Boom, good, gone. Went from there, drove an hour out to Claremont. Maybe not quite an hour, close. And got all this stuff from Michael's, and they got a whole nother load for us to get into, which is crazy. Crazy. I didn't think it was going to be this much. So okay, that's number 2. Legos are going at 3 o'clock. I got to meet the lady. I got an alarm set. 3 o'clock. We're jumping out of here. I already disconnected the trailer, as you can see. We're going to jump out of here, go get the Legos. Those sold for $75. Then after that, the guy bought all 11 units off of us. All 11. All 11 units he bought off of us. It's crazy. So that's the thing. And I am way behind. So I got to load all those up, bring them all out to Kissimmee. It's just crazy. So we'll get back with you. My goodness, people. Oh my goodness. The hangers. It's just, we have some massive weight going on. This thing barely moves. But I was not about to dump that in again and dump it out again, and ton of work, ton. All right, we're bringing that to the unit. We had our good friend Maurice drop off a bunch of stuff right in the middle of, oh, we sold the Legos since the last time I seen you. So that's good. My buddy Maurice came by, and I was a little stressed out. Couldn't handle it right at the time, but he was good about it. He knows me. So we dropped that off. There will be no Saturday street scrapping this week, but I think we did all right. And we are going back to Michael's on Tuesday to finish the pickup, because we only got about half of it. Maybe, probably, I don't know. Yeah, there's still a whole trailer full there. I'll try to sneak you guys in there on Tuesday. Same manager is there, so maybe she'll let me film. You gotta get buddied up first. Buddy, hey, how you doing, friend? You know, before you try to start filming and stuff. Here's some good aluminum. We like that. So I think we got a pretty good amount of weight with all those shelves there and everything else. For sure. For sure. I mean, I think this thing's got to be pushing 300 pounds minimum. It's so heavy. All right. There he is. Working. What are you doing? You working? Hard at it?
I got some bolts.
Nice.
I
got paid my 600. There's a refrigerator on First Street.
Oh yeah?
So you got it?
No, I haven't even went out today. I had all right, people, we'll get back with you. Well, there it is. There it is, busy Saturday. All the units are loaded up. There is no more in there. They're all loaded up, strapped down. Bobby Brown, let's get to town and do the thing, chicken wing. Nice and easy. Slow and steady will win this race. All right, well, that's all that's left. That's all that's left. And we're off. Well, happy Sunday. Here we are. Start of the day. Trailer is empty. Look at how clean she is. Brought in all the appliances yesterday. Got a new appliance guy. We got some bikes. Got this panel. We didn't do any street scrapping yesterday. That's just aluminum. Oh, but look, big thick copper. That's nice, huh? Yeah. So take that in. We got all this. Babble, babble. All right, welcome back. This is how we're starting the day. Somebody told me yesterday that this fridge was out. I just couldn't get here. So I got it first thing this morning. I got a dishwasher and something else. I think dishwasher and a microwave, maybe. Dishwasher, and we got another dishwasher while you guys were gone, and a microwave, but that was both from pickup, so that's why we didn't record it. Happy Sunday. This neighborhood's been kind of dead, but we're still doing all right. The Scott's Turf Builder, all done. It was fun. It was fun while it lasted. Oh, it's windy. It's a windy one. Look at this. I didn't know we were supposed to have a little mini hurricane today. Good for you. Do your thing. Do your thing, wind. All right, so having a Dory moment, and I have no idea if I recorded this or not. So we just got that washing machine. Finally cleaned up the trailer a little bit. My washing machine guy is gonna take that. I didn't know if he was going to. We're still very much learning each other, but he said, oh yeah, put it aside for me. And I said, you got it. That is music to my ears. So yesterday we averaged about $35 a unit delivered. So overall, I will take that. I kind of missed the little picking action, you know? It'll come again. It'll come again. The next wave, I was thinking about it earlier. I think the next wave is going to be spring cleaning, where it just really hits like a hammer. Early March, late February, early March. We'll see. The road. Not even gonna break this down. In and out. Let's go. All right. Little smoker action. What else you got there? Is you? What are you? I don't know what you are, but I'm gonna take you. Yeah, a bunch of stuffed animals. Oh, man. God. How you doing, brother? Yeah. That's our guy. He delivers to our neighborhood. And cool guy. He actually bought a like a punching bag set off of me for his kid. Oh, what is in here? This is all stuffed animals. Leapfrog. Man. Anna, Elsa, the whole gang. Everything is there. What do you got here? Some books. I like books. Bible stories. Oh yeah. Oh, a Red Sox book is in there. Yeah, we'll take this whole thing. Come on. I think my I don't think my washer and dryer guy is gonna take that one. Oh no. Oh no. He was asking for some hoses too, but those things look ravished. Not good. All right, well, you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load that thing up. Right in our neighborhood on the way back. We got the perfect spot for it to finish off the load. Yeah. We like that. How heavy are you? I was gonna manhandle it, but I could hear you guys screaming through the camera. Just put down the gate. And to show that I do listen every once in a while. Whoa. Big brakes. Big brakes. All right. Good deal. And that is the end of the first load of the day. Here we are back out on the streets. Run number 2. Here we go. This is the start. We went through one neighborhood. Didn't really see anything. So, see what we can get. Oh, isn't that pretty? With the tassels. You gotta love the tassels. You should have more tassels on things. And there it is. First chairs of the day. Did we get any chairs on the last one? I don't think so. I don't think we did. I think these are legit the first chairs of the day. Welcome aboard. All right. Got a little cleanup going here. Take all this stuff. Take the chairs. Yeah, batteries, sure, absolutely. Glass, no.
Okay.
Anything metal.
That's fair.
because we recycle it all.
Yeah. So you won't,
Awesome.
probably won't want most of that box then. But if you want to look through it, feel free.
Oh yeah, like all this is.
Old light bulbs
Sure.
and shit.
Yeah, probably not the light bulbs. But take some of this other stuff for sure. Oh, thank you so much. Battery. Nice and vacuum. Ah.
Also seeing if you maybe would be
Sure.
interested. Yeah, that one?
Absolutely. Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, it just as long as it's got some metal in it, they're good with that.
All right, cool. Thank you.
Where you guys want me to put this? I'm gonna take the chairs.
Here-ish.
Yeah,
We will-
Okay.
we'll figure it out.
Okay. I just don't want to make a mess.
Grass there for now.
Awesome.
Would you be interested in this VGA cord?
Yes, absolutely. Very good. Thank you so much.
No problem.
You guys are awesome. This. Goes there.
Does that looks like chocolate?
Take the Dyson.
Would you also be interested in this? Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
You are welcome. It might even require a second edition, SE.
All right. Sweet. Very good. Yeah, very good. Awesome. You guys are the best.
We'd have to either take all this out or wait for them to pick it up one at a time.
All right.
Well, mine's the external Blu-ray drive that also works out.
Huh? Oh, their crock pots is open.
Hey,
Ask
there's
them
this
to see
what's
if-
in there that I haven't used yet. Hey,
Or David.
Well, thank you all so much.
Not a problem.
Have a great day.
You too, man.
Appreciate you.
One more thing for you.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Awesome.
Here you go, sir. Appreciate
Very good. Thank you.
Take it
Have a
easy.
great day. All right, cool. Is it time for you to hit that like and subscribe button? Oh, I think I like that. Maybe do a little clock action. Every time we find a clock, it is time for you to hit like and subscribe. How you doing, good sir? for the trash?
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
All right, take care now.
Have a great day. Ironing boards, they're all the rage. All right. So, oh, what are you doing? Come on. Oh yeah, that coil's in there. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And we found it on the afternoon run, so that'll come off. It'll give me some time to take out all that copper in there. So, very good. Very, very good. Jack, this is the second jack today that we found. It's a Sunday 2-jack. It's a 2-jack Sunday. The chains. Right. Take that. If somebody could use that. I'm definitely taking that. Right here, because you know that's gonna be all stainless. Oh yeah, look at that, stainless grates inside of there. Huh, actually look half bad. This run is doing it. Whenever it is. It is doing it. Is there anything down there? Oh, a little chair. And we'll take the fan. Call it. Oh wow, that was cool. Second run today, getting it done today. Second run. Can't say enough about it. Putting up numbers. Even that first run did all right today. Oh, this will be interesting. Oh, you even play that game. Urgh. Whole body. Pick up your screws when you're done. Sweet. All right, finish mopping this thing up and be done. This little screen and door. What do you say? Break it down? Ooh, little end phase system. Nice. I like that. End phase is the type of solar system that those people have. Uh-oh. Oh boy. I felt the sneeze coming. Look at this, huh? Isn't this just special? snap, crackle, pop. Good. Wrap up the screen. Oh, heavy. Oh, every time I get them, it is heavy. I tried selling one before. Didn't get anything for it. I think I ended up recycling it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't let it go forward. Where does it need to go? Anywhere, really. It's just so heavy. This thing keeps digging into my leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, nope. Boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, there's got to be a better way to do this. If we go like that. And like this. Whew. Let's try to get this up. Over. Holy crap. Oh. You know what they call me. Pot and Pan Man. Steel, the recycled material. How long since they were writing that stuff on things? That looks pretty neat, don't it? I'd like to know where the top is for that. Right there is the top for that. Yeah, it's Disney, but what kind of Disney? What time in Disney's life did Disney put that Disney stuff out there for the Disney world to love, and then Disney's? Nope, that's a plastic. Miso plastic. Oh, is that a TV? What we got here? It's a Dell monitor. I want the cords. Well, there's some more. That as well. Alright, leave some for the other guys. Alright, I think we're done. I'm about ready to get home and unload this thing and come out for load number 3 of the day. Load number 3, that's cool, huh? It's a cool little thing. It's actually not that bad a condition, just to clean it up a little bit. So anyway, here we are. This is the weekend. This is everything that we got all weekend. Big weight here. Big weight. I don't even think I can describe the weight that's here. I don't know, 3,000 pounds, maybe 4,000 pounds. All depends on that shelving stuff. I mean, but it's just boxes and boxes and boxes. There's a whole garbage can full of them. So, yes. Overall, good weekend runs. I am tired. I am tired. It is, I think it's like 1:30, 2 o'clock, something like that. We're gonna go right back out and hit the third run of the day and try to finish up and be done. So I could come home, get some rest, do a little video. All right, well, thanks for riding along with me all weekend. Do me a favor, smash that like and subscribe button. Also doing our first baseball card show, February 11th in Lakeland. Anybody who's local to the area and wants to come visit us, come on out. We'd love to have you. So, all right, well, y'all have a good day. Thanks for riding along with me, and we will catch you on the next one.